Today, Wogaard have been in and installed the oil lifter on our third Matsura installation. That's going to enable us to maximise our machine uptime through the recycling of the coolant from the swarf bins that gets taken out during the machining processes. So we spend a hell of a lot of our time in manufacturing ensuring uptime on machines and making sure that we've got maximum utilisation, and sometimes some of the smaller things like running out of coolant, which stops the entire process, can be overlooked. So all three of our Matsuras are now installed with the coolant lifter, and we're also using the oil lifter in the 13 cistern sliding heads that we have on site as well.